cold, stiff dead body has quickening, transforming power. From death unto life we have passed into this bright eternal day. Now the resurrected Christ in us lives. Hallelujah, He is risen, He is alive in me today. From the realm of this old earthly, now I live in a heavenly realm. And soon I'll change dimensions, for this earth won't be able to hold me anymore. Yes, soon I'll change dimensions, for this earth won't be able to hold me anymore.
Este es un nuevo amanecer, la estrella de la mañana brilla en mí. El cuerpo muerto tiene poder vivificador de transformación. De la muerte a la vida pasamos en este brillante día eterno. Ahora el Cristo resucitado en nosotros vive.
Aleluya, Él resucitó, Él vive en mí para testificar que he salido del reino terrenal y ahora vivo en uno celestial. No cambiaré de dimensión, porque esta tierra ya no me podrá retener jamás. No cambiaré de dimensión, porque esta tierra ya no me podrá retener jamás.
Now the glory of His gospel shines through us wherever we may go, changing ugly caterpillars into beautiful heavenly creatures. Oh, death, you've been conquered by Him. Our victory and promise is sure. Now the gates of hell cannot prevail. We are the bride of the living God. Hallelujah, He is risen, He is alive in me today. From the realm of this old earthly, now I live in a heavenly realm. And soon I'll change dimensions, for this earth won't be able to hold me anymore. Soon I'll change dimensions, for this earth won't be able to hold me anymore.
This the season of immortals, the spring sun has returned. The restoration of the bride is on. All that's lost He has brought back.
And on to the resurrection we are heading now, to awake the saints that sleep, and forever we'll be with I'll change dimensions, for this earth won't be able to hold me anymore. And soon I'll change dimensions, for this earth won't be able to hold me anymore.